Hi there, Natasha here, realtor in beautiful Charleston. I'm coming to you from a new construction community in Ravenel, South Carolina. It's just outside of Charleston, and Ashton Woods is selling brand new construction. I am here. Today is the first day sales are starting. It's November 1st, and I'm excited to bring this new community to you. So it's just in the very beginning stages, but let's have a look and talk about it together. While this neighborhood is just getting going, there are some amazing plans for this community. They will have a beautiful amenity center with a pool and a play park, and homes in this neighborhood will start delivering in January of 2026. But they plan to develop a future phase, so there will be construction for the next few years. Homes in this community are going to range from 3 to 6 bedrooms, so there really is something for everybody. They have an attached floor plan, so like a townhome style product, but they also have 5 floor plans of single family homes. And the homes here are going to range from the low 300s to the mid 500s. Things are just kicking off and sales have just started. So if you want to tour this community or you want to know more, make sure to partner with a buyer's agent. I would love to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.